welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of our Lake District trip. Unfortunately, Vicky got a little bit injured yesterday on the scramble, so now she's on crutches. So we've pared down some of our activities today. So we've come to Air Force, but first of all we're going to go to the tea room, and then after that we're going to try and slowly shuffle up to the waterfall. We've still got some beautiful landscape going on here at Air Force. We're going to see the waterfall today, hopefully. Unfortunately, like I say, Vicky got a little bit injured, so she's on crutches now. But we're going to try our best to still make an adventure out of the day and like see what we can, do what we can, and maybe get on a boat later as well. That's the plan, isn't it? Yeah. Cool tree configuration. We're basically up now. This absolute legend turned her ankle on striding edge yesterday. It is still going up to the high waterfalls. That is pretty, wow, spectacular. Probably see the waterfall over there. That might be the main one. Oh. But there is actually one further up as well. You can get over on the bridge closer to it. Awesome. But it looks like there's been some kind of like tree fall, and they've blocked off part of the path that we can't go along. We should still be able to go along all the way. Just an incredibly touristy spot, so you definitely won't be alone if you come here, especially on a weekend as we are doing. So you can get some inkling of the terrain that we have come up, and this is why I really need a wrist strap on my GoPro. There's the water. Those are the stairs that we would have been able to get down. It's the other side of that sign I showed you, except all blocked off with a tree fall.
You could see that the old path would have been...
Yeah, that's what I was saying, yeah. Yeah.
You can see a little bit of one from that side.
Let's have a look. Can't see enough really, can you? I'm hoping that this will lead to a big top of or something. Top above the water now. You can see the ravine and stuff down below. Yeah. Just making my way back towards Vicky. Left her in a flattish area, looking over the waterfall. She wasn't able to come up on this terrain, so I'm just going back to meet her now. Back with Vicky now, making our way back to the car park, and we're on to our next adventure. So we've done Ira Forth. We've seen the waterfalls as close as we were able to. Vicky's managed to get most of the way around it. And now we're off to see if we can get out on the water somehow and show you some of the, hopefully the Ullswater, and kind of how beautiful it is out there. Just on quite a busy pier, about to take a return trip to Howtown nearby, and then back here to see more of this beautiful Ullswater basically. So here we are out on the Ullswater.
Okay, this is Howtown. If you're leaving or joining us here, please use the gangplank on the upper deck. Our next stop's Pooly Beach. Thank you.
Currently having a relax on the pier at Houghton. We're going to be getting a boat back in a few minutes. But we're taking the opportunity to actually have a relax today and sit in the sun. Vicky has found herself a perfect seat to rest her legs. It's pretty nice here. Woodland, water, and some occasional ducks. I'm getting on quacking, but they don't always show up. This is like fucking perfect spot to relax and like get some chill time after all the activity we've been doing. To navigate the gangplank. Ooh. And this evening I think pretty much just gonna have a chill. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today and yesterday for the two different videos. We've had an amazing trip. We're planning to have a lazy evening. Thanks so much for coming along on this adventure with us, and hope to see you guys soon. And bye from Vicky.